Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's put a lot of time and effort into coloring your hair, then you know that color-treated hair needs some extra care. But finding the right products to maintain that vibrancy can be tricky. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to protect your color and keep it looking fresh longer. Aveda's Color Control Rich Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Aveda has long been known for crafting hair care products that combine natural ingredients with high-performance benefits. This shampoo and conditioner duo is no exception, offering a blend of botanicals and a promise of color protection that many of us are constantly searching for. It's designed specifically for medium to thick hair, so let's see how it performs. First off, the key features. The shampoo and conditioner are both silicone-free and made with over 97% naturally derived ingredients. The fact that they're silicone-free is important because silicones can weigh hair down, especially with color-treated hair that already tends to be more delicate. These formulas aim to maintain moisture and shine while helping to reduce color fade. When it comes to real-world testing, I've been using the duo for a little over 2 weeks now, incorporating them into my regular shower routine. The shampoo lathers up nicely, giving you that rich, luxurious feeling without stripping your hair of its natural oils. I did notice that my hair didn't feel dry or overly squeaky clean after use, which is a big plus. It didn't leave any buildup either. The conditioner has a smooth texture and glides through the hair easily. After using it, my hair feels softer and it detangles quite easily, which is key for color-treated hair that can be prone to breakage. On the first wash, I did notice that my hair felt nourished, but I was slightly concerned about how it would hold up throughout the day. Color-treated hair can be prone to losing its vibrancy after a few washes, so I was curious to see how well the product performed on that front. After a few days of use, my hair still looked and felt vibrant. There was no noticeable fade in color, and the softness continued with each use. That being said, the scent is subtle, a fresh herbal note that isn't overpowering, always a plus for those who prefer lighter fragrances in their hair products. In terms of performance, this duo stands out for its ability to maintain hair health. My hair doesn't feel weighed down by heavy conditioning ingredients, and it doesn't lose moisture as quickly as with some other products I've tried. If you have medium to thick hair and you're dealing with color fade, I'd say this product does a pretty solid job. Pros: the natural ingredients, the lack of silicones, and the fact that it delivers on its promise to help preserve color are major wins. It works particularly well for those with thicker hair textures, as it helps smooth and hydrate without feeling too heavy. The build-up-free formula is great as well, as I didn't feel the need to clarify my hair more than usual. On the flip side, while the performance is solid, the price point might be a consideration for some. Aveda is definitely on the higher end of the spectrum when it comes to hair care, so this might not be an option for those on a tighter budget. However, the size of the liter bottles makes the cost a bit more justifiable, especially if you're using them regularly. If you're only looking for basic color protection, there are definitely more affordable options out there, but none that quite match the premium feel and performance of this duo. In comparison to similar products, I found Aveda's Color Control Duo to be more effective than some of the drugstore options I've tried, though they don't come close to the luxury experience Aveda offers. If you're after something with a cleaner ingredient list and a more sustainable brand ethos, this could be worth the extra spend. Now, in terms of build quality, the packaging is what we've come to expect from Aveda: sleek, eco-friendly, and practical. The larger size bottles are convenient, but the packaging is lightweight enough that you can still handle them easily in the shower. As for longevity, I've been using it consistently and haven't noticed any degradation in performance, which bodes well for the product's durability over time. Is Aveda's Color Control Rich Shampoo and Conditioner worth the price? I'd say yes, if you're serious about protecting your color-treated hair and you're willing to invest in a premium, naturally derived product. It's particularly suited for those with medium to thick hair textures, who need something that will keep their hair hydrated and color vibrant without the use of silicones. So, if you're someone who colors their hair often and is looking for a product that helps maintain that vibrancy, this could be your new go-to. The fact that it's made with natural ingredients and free from silicones gives it an edge over many other color care products on the market. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can discover this review too. Your support helps us continue to make honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've tried this product or any other Aveda products, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.